Samantala, isa naman po sa mga nanood ng 65th Miss Universe Coronation, ang aktres at dating beauty queen din na si Alice Dixon. At ngayong umaga, makakausap po natin si 1986 Binibining Pilipinas International Alice Dixon. Good morning, Alice!
Magandang umaga, Connie.
What do you think about yung naging result?
Of the winner?
Yes, sa winner.
Well, Miss France was not my favorite, pero of course, she was the one who won. So, nevertheless, she is our new Miss Universe.
Nagkaroon ka ba ng pagkakataon na makita si Miss France ng malapitan?
No, actually, hindi.
But, di ba, even sabi nga ni 1994 Miss Universe Sushmita Sen, kahit daw nasa entablado itong si Miss France, ay nakapag-connect siya ng husto dun sa kanyang mga sagot. Do you also agree with that?
Yes, I do because malakas ang reaction, the crowd. Even if maingay kasi, you could really hear that was one of the top answers for the question and answer.
And she was humble enough to actually admit, nung na-interview natin siya, na medyo nahirapan siya talaga doon sa tanong, dahil especially nung nasa top 6 na siya. Sa tingin mo ba talagang pag ganito, of course, being a dating beauty queen din, Alice, mahirap talaga siyempre pag ganito may kasamang pressure na at expectations ng malaki, no?
All the time. Kaya lang, I believe, no, kung if the candidate is very confident sa sagot niya, it will come out with, lalabas yun ng more easily or fluently, and mas papalakpak ng mga tao pag natural yung pagsagot.
Nabanggit mo kanina na hindi si Miss France talaga yung unang-unang bet mo, no? Pwede ba naming malaman kung sino yung talagang pambato na gusto mo talaga sana manalo?
You know, nanghihinayang ako kay Miss Philippines kasi nandun na siya nasa top 6 ka. Kumbaga, she has the beauty, she has the grace. Lacking lang siya dun sa pagsagot yung pagsagot ng question sa kanya. So, parang I thought she really had a chance sana makapasok man lang sa top 3. But since, ganun nga nangyari, I think Miss Kenya would have been another one of my favorite. Kaya lang, isa pa siyang siguro kinabahan sa question and answer portion kasi once you do not answer in a certain way, parang bumababa na kaagad talaga ang point mo. So, mahihirapan ka na pumasok sa top. But, ibig ko sabihin, the question and answer portion is very unforgiving. So, once magkamali ka ng konti, mahirap na. But so, I mean, Miss Kenya did really well until the question and answer portion. Miss Philippines did really well. I was also rooting for Miss Canada kasi si Miss Canada, it was a plus-size model. So parang hindi siya naniniwala na you have to be skinny in Miss Universe. Naniniwala siya that you just be yourself, be beautiful. And yun yung in-encourage niya sa mga kapwa niyang babae.
Right.
That was a good message. Kaya lang, hindi naman siya pumasok. So, none of my favorites actually pumasok sa
okay.
Top 6. No?
Oo. Pero may kaibahan ba yung beauty pageants ngayon as compared noong sumabak ka nung 80s?
Kasi yung time ko, Miss International, walang question and answer portion. From the, I think it was 15 finalists, kinuha na yung tatlong winners. Wala nang question and answer. But, so for Miss Universe, importante talaga yung how you present yourself and how you speak. Kasi later on, magde-delegate ka na, you'll be a delegate, international delegate. So, talaga importante yon.
Tsaka malaking factor din na may social media na. Sinasabi nga, talagang makaka-affect at makaka-affect din yun. Minsan sa kumpiyansa, lalo na kung nagbabasa rin yung ating mga kandidata, di ba? Yung mga comments.
Sa tingin ko, funny, that would have been a very good answer para sa kanya, sa question and answer portion. Yung kasi they asked her what, anong sa tingin niya, what is the most important, one of the most important things na nangyari in the last 10 years na change. Sana sinagot niya social media kasi I think ang nasa isip niya was that she wanted to say something about yung it unites people.
Yes.
So sana sinabi na lang niya that social media is key to change also. And it actually does unite people. It's just a different form of receiving our information, and it creates more bond and unity with everybody. Aspiring something like that. Parang hindi niya it wasn't as cohesive siguro as gusto niyang sabihin. But I think yun yung nasa isip niya na gusto niyang sabihin.
But overall, naging maganda naman ang staging nitong Miss Universe para sa'yo, Miss Alice?
Well, Connie, first time ko kasi manood ng live, and it was a very well-organized show, and it's very mabilis mabilis ang pangyayari. From the first 30 minutes, kinuha na yung top 13. So, the Miss Universe production, organized, fast-paced, and very, very professional. So, no complaints. And then there was yung paglabas namin, hindi magulo.
Right.
People were very organized sa labas. Natutuwa lang sila na malaman, who's winning, who's...
Okay.
Yeah.
Miss Alice, thank you so much for giving us your time. Maraming pong salamat.
All right, thank you. Thank you din. Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga. Yan po
Bye-bye.
naman si Miss Alice Dixon.